Good day everyone! How are you today? I hope you're fine. We are now going to discuss about overview of conic sections. Learning outcomes of the lesson. At the end of the lesson, the student is able to illustrate the different types of conic sections, parabola, ellipse, circle, hyperbola, and degenerate cases. Determine the type of conic section defined by a given second-degree equation in x and y. Conic sections or conics. It is a curve formed by a plane passing through a double-napped circular cone. One of the first shapes we learned, a circle, is a conic. When you throw a ball, the trajectory it takes is a parabola. The orbit taken by each planet around the Sun is an ellipse. Properties of hyperbolas have been used in the design of certain telescopes and navigation systems. It is a circle when a plane is horizontal. It is a special case of ellipse in which the plane is perpendicular to the axis of the cone. Ellipse. When the tilted plane intersects only one cone to form a bounded curve. Parabola. Parabola happens when the plane intersects only one cone to form an unbounded curve. The plane is parallel to the generator line of the cone. Hyperbola. Hyperbola happens when the plane, which is not necessarily vertical, intersects both cones to form two unbounded curves, each called branch of the hyperbola. Degenerate conics. Point happens when plane through the vertex of the cone. A single line when the plane is tangent to the cone. It is also a degenerate conics when there is a pair of intersecting lines. The graph of the second-degree equation of the form ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0 is determined by the values of b squared minus 4ac. Graphs of quadratic equations. If the conic section is a circle, the value of b squared minus 4ac is less than 0 or a is equal to c. Also, the eccentricity is equal to 0. If the conic section is a parabola, the value of b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, and at the same time, the eccentricity is equal to 1. If the conic section is an ellipse, the value of b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, b is not equal to 0, or a is not equal to c. Also, the eccentricity is between 0 and 1. If the conic section is a hyperbola, the value of b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. The eccentricity is greater than 1. Let's determine the type of conic section that each general equation will produce. Number 1. 2x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared plus 12y minus 1 is equal to 0. Number 2. X squared plus 4xy minus 4x plus y squared minus 12y is equal to 0. Number 3. 5x squared minus 3y squared minus 20x minus 18y minus 22 is equal to 0. Number 4. 18x squared plus 18y squared minus 24x plus 48y minus 5 is equal to 0. Let's now answer the exercise. Number 1. 2x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared plus 12y minus 1 is equal to 0. A here is equal to 2, B is 4, and C is 3. B squared minus 4AC is equal to 4 squared minus 4 times the quantity 2 times 3. It is equal to 16 minus 4 times 2 is 8 multiplied by 3. So that is 16 minus 24, which is equal to negative 8. Negative 8 is less than 0 and B is not equal to 0 and A is not equal to C. So the conic section is an ellipse. Number 2. X squared plus 4xy minus 4x plus y squared minus 12y is equal to 0. So A here is 1, B is 4, C is equal to 1. B squared minus 4AC is equal to 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. So that is equal to 4 squared minus 4, which is equal to 16 minus 4, which is equal to 12. Now 12 is greater than 0. So the conic section is a hyperbola. Number 3. 5x squared minus 3y squared minus 20x minus 18y minus 22 is equal to 0. A here is equal to 5, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to negative 3. B squared minus 4AC is equal to 0 squared minus 4 times 5 times the quantity negative 3. So that is equal to 0 minus 20 multiplied by quantity negative 3. 0 minus quantity negative 60. So that would be 0 plus 60. So 60 is greater than 0. So the conic section is a hyperbola. Number 4. 18x squared plus 18y squared minus 24x plus 48y minus 5 is equal to 0. A here is equal to 18, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to 18. So B squared minus 4AC is equal to 0 squared minus 4 times the quantity 18 times 18. So 0 minus 1296. So that would be negative 1296, which is less than 0. So A is equal to C also. So the equation is a circle. Now here are the references. Agot Mar V and Alex M. Asidera, Pre-Calculus Quarter 1, Module 1, Analytic Geometry, DepEd Division of Cagayan de Oro, and Pre-Calculus DepEd Teaching Guide. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Keep safe and subscribe to Analyze Math.